Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, insert a charged battery and a formatted memory card, then power the camera on. Once done, set the mode dial to auto or PSO settings adjust while you learn. Make sure to enable the grid for composition and switch image quality to RAW plus JPEG if you want maximum editing flexibility. Adjust screen brightness and finder diopter for clear viewing. Familiarize yourself with the exposure compensation dial and image stabilization. Switch to avoid blurry photos as you proceed. Now take control of exposure and focus. Pick aperture priority, A to control depth of field, or shutter priority, S to freeze motion. Each choice changes how the camera meters light. For focus, use AFS for still subjects and AFC for motion. Set the focus area to flexible spot to place the focus precisely. Once the framing and focus are locked, set ISO manually, start at 100 to 400, and raise it only when shutter speed or aperture limits demand it to limit noise. Finish each session by reviewing images carefully at 100% to confirm focus and check highlight clipping. Use zebras or histogram when available. Before shooting final sequences, assign IAF and back button focus to custom buttons for consistent results. Once satisfied, enable RAW backup and record metadata for workflow. If you encounter persistent autofocus or card errors, reset custom settings first and then back up and reformat the card. That sequence usually clears configuration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.